In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ClickUp automations for status changes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an automation that reacts when a task's status changes, so your workflow keeps moving without manual updates. Start by opening the Automations panel. Go to the list, folder, or space where you want the automation to live, because automations run only in the location you're currently viewing. In the top right, click the Automate button, or select the lightning bolt icon. This is where you'll build and manage all the rules for that specific area. Next, add your trigger. Click the option to add a new automation, then choose status changes from the trigger options. You'll see choices like when status changes or when status changes from any to any. Pick the one that best fits your use case. This is the when of your rule, the event that will cause everything else to happen. Now define the trigger details. Specify the exact transition you care about, like status changes from active to closed. This keeps your automation precise, so it doesn't fire for every little update. If you need a broader rule, you can keep it more general, but focusing on a specific change often prevents noise and makes troubleshooting easier later. If you want to narrow things down, add optional conditions. This is where you can refine the rule so it only runs under certain criteria, like when the assignee matches a particular person, or when the task's priority is set to urgent. Conditions act as filters on top of your trigger, making sure the automation only runs when it truly matters. Now define what should happen next with actions. You can automatically change the assignee, so tasks move to the right person at the right time. You can move the task to another list, such as sending it from drafts to published when it's complete. Or you can add a comment to provide updates or context for your team. Choose one or combine multiple actions to build a small workflow. Quick note, if you're new to ClickUp, there's a link to the website and downloads at the very top of the description so you can get set up quickly. When everything looks good, click Create to activate the automation. From now on, whenever your defined status change occurs and any optional conditions are met, ClickUp will apply the actions you selected automatically. That's it. You've just set up a reliable, repeatable system that keeps your process consistent and saves you time. If this helped, give it a try in your own workspace, and don't forget to check the description for the link. Thanks for watching.